GAT Flow allows admins to copy contacts from one or multiple users to another user, group, or OU. In this video, we'll show you how. Start off by navigating to the Create Workflow area of GAT Flow. From there, you can give your workflow a name and select its type. In this case, we'll be copying a user's contacts to a group of users, so I'll select Modify. You can also choose to schedule this workflow to run at another time or have it run based on conditions that you can set later. When you are satisfied with your settings, click Next. Now we'll be choosing the user, group, or OU that this workflow will be affecting. These would be the users who receive the contacts that you copy. I'll choose a group of users and select the users from that group that will be affected. Once I'm happy with the list of users, we can click the Proceed to Actions button. In this area, we can add the actions for the workflow. Simply click on the left plus box to add an action. You can type contacts at the top to quickly find the Copy User Contacts action. Now fill in the email of the user with the contacts that you wish to copy. You can also filter by labels, but if you wish to add all contacts from this user, simply leave this option blank. If you would like to add more users and copy their contacts as well, you can simply add another action and repeat this process. When ready, click Send Approval Request. Your request will be sent to your domain's GAT Unlock security officer, who will need to approve it. Once approved, the workflow will run. That covers this GAT Flow how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.